Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Diana here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my first ever greenhouse. Now I got this greenhouse from Amazon. It was supposed to be in the top pick. So let's get into it. And it's just a plastic one. Let me get this out the way. So here's the plastic. So I got this greenhouse because I do plan on getting some citrus trees. And I want to be able to keep them during the winter. But I don't want to keep them in my house, so hopefully this greenhouse will do the job. So we got quite a few pieces here. I believe these are the shelves. I believe this is going to be fairly simple to put together. I just hope all the pieces are here, because I've gotten a lot of things before where they don't send you all the pieces, or they'll send you the pieces and they'll be broke. Alright, so here it is. It is, zoom in on that there. That's how big it's supposed to be. And we're going to go ahead, get ready, and put this thing together. So if y'all want to watch, let's get into it. I tied these here onto the poles. I can already feel the heat in here. So I'm standing in here, and I'm 5'2", so I got enough space. I think this is I want to say 6 foot. So I'm loving it so far. What I can say is it is cheaply made. I'm gonna give my honest opinion. It is cheaply made. I bought and paid for this myself, so I'm not sponsored, and I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. For the price of it, I believe it's good so far. I just put it up, and maybe later on I'll get a better one. But for now, this is what I'm going to be using. So right down here is a flat, so you could put you some bricks to keep this thing from blowing away, because it looks like it will blow away. And this is the little window, one on each side, Velcro right here, and then here you can tie it up. You have to tie it up, roll it up like this, and then tie it. There she is. So I'm definitely going to put some bricks around here. And I can't wait to get my plants out the house. They going in here. So thank you all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and make sure you hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all my latest videos. And until next time, I'll be seeing you. Bye.